Hello, today we will guide you through how to undo a previous bank reconciliation in QuickBooks Online. To begin, open QuickBooks Online and make sure you're on the main homepage. This process is useful when a past reconciliation needs to be reversed, such as when an error was made or the wrong transactions were included. Before making changes, it's always a good idea to double-check that you're working on the correct account and reconciliation period, since undoing a reconciliation can affect your bookkeeping records. Once you're in QuickBooks, look to the top right area of the screen and click the Settings icon. This is where many account and company tools are located, including reconciliation options. If you don't immediately see what you need, take a moment to let the menu fully open so all available options are visible. From the Settings menu, click Reconcile. This will take you to the Reconciliation section, where you can review bank and credit card account reconciliations. The Reconcile page is designed to help you manage previously completed reconciliations as well as start new ones, so make sure you stay focused on the account history area for this task. Next, go to the top right portion of the Reconcile screen and click History by Account. This section shows a list of completed reconciliations for the account you're viewing. It's especially helpful because it lets you review prior activity and identify the specific reconciliation you want to reverse. After that, find the reconciliation entry you need and click the drop-down menu on the right side of that row. The drop-down provides actions related to that specific reconciliation, so be careful to select the correct one. Taking an extra second here can help you avoid undoing the wrong period. From that menu, click Undo. This will reverse the selected reconciliation and remove its completed status. Depending on your QuickBooks access level, you may be asked to confirm the action. If so, review the prompt carefully, then proceed only if you're sure this is the reconciliation you want to undo. Once the undo is complete, the transactions from that reconciliation will return to an unreconciled state, allowing you to review and reconcile them again if needed. Afterward, it's a good idea to verify your account register and reconciliation history to confirm the change was applied correctly. That's it. You've successfully learned how to undo a previous bank reconciliation in QuickBooks Online.